Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this XSI portable chainsaw. So I do want to thank XSI for actually gifting this to me. And so what we have here is a 550-watt motor that is a one-handed chainsaw, but I recommend actually holding it with two. And with it, it comes with the battery pack. You have the charger, you have the lubricant, comes with gloves as well, eyewear. Now, as far as the actual chainsaw goes, you have the cover knob here. You have a shield that goes on top. You also have the actual chainsaw that you see right over there. This right here is a safety button. And then this right here is the accelerator. And then you have multiple places. Basically, this right here is actually like a support grip for when you're actually making the cut. But overall, I'd say that this is a great way to kind of trim smaller branches with one hand. The battery life does last quite some time, so I'm very pleased with that. But even so, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.